Hi everyone, this is a tutorial on how to do the overlay image for positioning purposes and also for editing. So basically you want to start off with the black background like behind me. I'm using a black bed sheet. Preferably a lighter color would be easier to edit on. For positioning wise, for this opening reception we were doing soon, preferably when you're speaking, we should have you on the side so that we could place the image right next to me. Or if you want to stay on the opposite side, you can do the same thing. Making sure that your proportions are from the top of your head to the middle of your torso so we can get everything. You can also do another position, which is sitting down. I will demonstrate in one moment. So you can also sit down like I am now. I'm using my chair. I'm still having the background, but this time instead, you're going to keep your, the top of your torso on top of your head here, so that we can have the image right here. To make it a lot easier, you could do it on the opposite side too if that makes you more comfortable. But that's really up to you and your decision there. And yeah, this is the rough tutorial.